Top 11 Blogging Niches 2024. Blogging Beginner Course. Today's class will talk about important topics about blogging. In today's class, I will show you some things to keep in mind before choosing a blogging niche. Starting blogging on any topic can be successful quickly. Next, I will show you Blogger versus WordPress, which platform is the best for beginners. Things to keep in mind to selecting a blogging niche. There are many things to keep in mind before selecting a blogging niche. The main ones are, your interest, i.e. writing on the subject you are interested in will make you successful faster. The next thing is, how suitable is your blogging niche for a blogging business and what is its cost per click, CPC? The next thing to watch out for is, how your blogging niche is searched for this month and year. Finally, you must keep in mind the future potential of your blogging niche. The future of your blogging business must be considered. The best blogging niches. First is news. The search volume of news is always high. People of all ages search and read the news more or less. So you can target news as a blogging niche. Watch this video if you want to earn thousands of dollars a month by creating a free news website and writing articles with AI in the right way. Special techniques are shown in the tutorial. Next are travel, geographical, and natural beauty. They have a fairly high search volume, so you can target them as a blogging topic. Tech is number 3. If you are interested in technology, then you can start blogging about tech. Next is mobile reviews at number 4. Nowadays many people search online before buying a mobile review websites get a lot of traffic. So you can target mobile reviews as a blogging niche. In this case, apart from Google AdSense, there is an opportunity to earn through affiliate marketing. Religion is at number 5. Religion will exist as long as people exist. So you can target religion as a blogging niche. Number 6 is book, writing, and education. You can target these as blogging topics. In this case, there is an opportunity to earn through affiliate marketing. Number 7 is movies and entertainment. You can target this as a blogging niche. Number 8 is fashion and beauty, which you can target as a blogging niche. In this case, there is an opportunity to earn through affiliate marketing. At number 9 is health, fitness, and medicine. You can target this as a blogging niche. In this case, there is an opportunity for affiliate marketing. At number 10 is food. You can target this as a blogging niche. In this case, there is an opportunity for affiliate marketing. Number 11 is technology or gaming. You can garner this as a blogging niche. Differences between Blogger and WordPress blogging. In the case of Blogger, there is no need to purchase hosting for Blogger, it is completely free. By technology, you are not the full owner of your blog. Because the website is on Google servers. Blogger websites are less good when it comes to SEO. No plugin can be installed on the Blogger website. These websites are very common. If Google AdSense is the main objective, it is the best place to start. In this case, those whose main objective is Google AdSense can start with Blogger. After getting approved in Google AdSense, you can back up the Blogger website and shift to WordPress. Because WordPress is very good for SEO. In the case of WordPress, your hosting needs to be purchased. Technically, you are the full owner of your blog. Purchased hosting or server. WordPress website is perfect for SEO. Various plugins can be installed on a WordPress website. It is best for creating business, e-commerce, and personal websites. Business websites have nothing to do with Google AdSense, so you can start with WordPress. Important factor in search engine ranking. First of all, how long did visitors wait after searching for your article page? For ease of understanding, let's assume that your article is in the first ranking of search results. However, visitors spend less time on your article page, spending more time on lower ranked articles. So search engines will assume your article has nothing important to benefit the visitors. As visitors spend more time on lower ranked articles, they will come to the first ranking. Next is SEO. The better you can do article SEO, the better you can research low competition keywords, and the higher your chances of ranking in search engines. Next are domain authority and page authority. By this, domain authority is meant website authority. Domain authority and page authority are indicated by Moz. The higher the domain authority of the website, the higher the chances of ranking in the search engines. The higher the website backlinks, the higher the domain authority. However, it should be noted that Google does not use domain authority, page authority, or spam score in search ranking. Backlinks and other metrics are used in Google rankings. Visitor retention strategies. Now let's talk about visitor retention strategy. The first tip is to write long articles. By writing long content, you can keep visitors longer. The next tip is to give more information and remove unnecessary lines. In this way, visitors can be kept longer. Write the content in such a way that the visitor does not open any other link. That is, do not open articles ranked below you. As a result, search engines will assume that your content contains sufficient information and that your content is useful for visitors. If the video is useful, please give it a like.